So we were talking about the procedures. तो
Yes, yes.
जैसे ही कमांडर सबसे पहले चीफ क्रू को बताता है
Correct.
हेड क्रू को बताता है कि
Correct.
ऐसे ऐसे सिचुएशन है
Correct.
एंड दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू डू समथिंग. देन जो हेड क्रू होती हैं वो क्या करते हैं?
Okay, so Sonal, again, like, see, hierarchy we discussed. The commander of the flight is the head, then your first officer, then your senior most. So again, it depends on which kind of emergency is going to happen there. Okay, we do have lot of kind of emergencies. So are we is it going to be unplanned or planned?
Okay.
So unplanned, we call it crash landing.
Okay.
And planned comes up to your ditching, water evacuation.
Okay.
So agar planned hai, so definitely captain will be like, calling the senior most inside, will give you the time.
Okay.
Will give you the time, will be taken. Okay. And then will tell you like, which doors to be used. Okay. Will give you details. And then you need to synchronize your watches also. Okay. Unplanned emergencies. So for an example, there is like, you are taking off and any kind of emergency happens. We've been trained for certain commands. So captain will be giving certain commands. Then senior most has to like, act on this. And on that basis, like all the other crew work.
Okay.
And during this period, during this period, if like, now there is a crash landing, okay, now we been told like, till the time the aircraft comes to a complete halt, okay, we have to be remain seated, okay. And after that, अगर आपको कोई भी buzzer या कोई भी command नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है captain और your cabin crew senior most की तरफ से, then you can judge your own situation and then you can act accordingly. So we all cabin crew are trained on this because we can't waste time of seconds here.
Correct. It's a very tough job.
So you see your अब हम जो पैसेंजर्स बैठते हैं इमरजेंसी एग्जिट पर, तो हम उनको भी ब्रीफ करते हैं कि once the aircraft comes to a complete halt and you do not listen to any of the command from the captain or from the cabin crew, judge yourself, look outside. If conditions are all okay, there is no fire, there is no structural damage, okay, everything seems to be all good, okay, then you can open the emergency exit door and evacuate and help everybody in that scenario.
Okay. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि हम इस चैनल पे ऐसे ही बहुत सारे बहुत फन एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्लिप्स डालते रहते हैं. See you in the next one.